second to lift off. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
There it goes.
Oh, oh. Oh God. Oh no, not in the sink. Daddy has control issues. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. It's finding that perfect like speed, the height. Oh, I had to crash it. It was gonna hit the fan. Was that fun? What'd you think, buddy?
Okay, where are you going to put it? You going to put it back on the counter?
Oh, that's a tough spot.
Okay,
We need more room. More room.
Go stand in your
space.
position. I'll do it. Go get in your position.
I do it. Okay. 3 seconds to launch. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got it.